go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, cause I did why.
Hi work fam, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This welcome back is a very deep one because we've been away for like 2 weeks now instead of a week as usual. So if you're new here to this channel, please check the screen on instruction on how this meal was made, and the ingredients used are also on the screen. If you have any question, please ask me in the comment section. Comment section is open and I will answer every question you have regarding this meal. Also, if you have any suggestion, recipe ideas, let's just in the comment section. I know that I owe you an apology for not posting this video last week. I am deeply sorry. Last week was a lot for me, but I'm not here to give excuses or try to bore you with all of those stories. I'm just here to apologize. I am deeply sorry. So to furthermore apologize, I'll be posting both recipes from last week's poll. So the date cakes recipe will come up next week because it was actually a close call in the poll. So do not worry, if you chose that, it will come up. Because a lot of people kept messaging me and saying, oh my god, you slied us, you didn't post our coconut bread. I did not sly you guys, I promise, I didn't sly you. And then talking about close call, okay, so a quick break. If you want to know how to make coconut milk at home, please specify in the comment section and I'll show you. I'll post a video of how to make it. So if anybody wants to know, let me know in the comment section. I promise to post a video on how to make it because it's really quite easy. But if you are not up for the stress, you can just buy it off from a shelf in the supermarket. That's easier too. So talking about close calls in our poll, I got a suggestion on how we can get everybody's choice included in recipe posting for the week. So, and it was a really great suggestion, I think. But let me know what you think about it. But I think it's a good suggestion. If you have other suggestions, don't forget to always drop them. Like I said, all suggestions are valid and accepted. Another quick break. The measurement of butter dropped here was not the measurement I used per time I added butter. It was the total measurement of butter I used overall. But I just added it in bits every time I felt the dough needed extra butter to soften or bring it back up together again. Just know that butter will help your dough soften faster. So that's the total measurement of butter. Yeah, so back to our gist. So what we're going to be doing now is every Monday, as usual, we have our Monday polls. In case you are new here, welcome. In case you are new here and did not know that we have polls every Mondays that starts on Mondays and ends on Wednesdays to choose the meal to make for the week. We have every poll on Monday and ends on Wednesday. So every Monday we'll be dropping just 2 recipes to choose from, as against 3 or 4. And at the end of the month, the last week of the month, we're going to now make a poll from the recipes that were not chosen in the previous weeks in the month. So if you had 3 weeks in the month, for example, and we dropped 6 recipes, that's 2 per week, and we had 3 posted from those 6 recipes. The remaining 3, we have an end of month poll where we can all choose from the 3 which to post. So that way, if the one you chose earlier was not chosen, right, you have another chance to also choose it. And I hope by the grace of God that your choice is the final choice for the month. But if you have any other suggestion on how to make this work, please let us know in the comment section and it will definitely be considered and incorporated if it's a great idea. Okay. I do have a gist to talk about, but I feel like I don't know if it's enough time to tell you guys about this, so we'll gist about it in the next video, right? Yeah. So just a quick reminder that we have polls, like I said earlier, that we have polls that drops on Mondays and ends on Wednesdays. Please participate in that. We need your opinions to know what to post for the week. Also, if you've subscribed to this channel and your friends and family haven't subscribed to this channel, I don't know why you don't want them to benefit of this goodness that you're enjoying. It's not a good thing now. Judge this case. It's not really good. I think you should share this video to them so that they can also be a part of this lovely family of love. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, let's say this is the first time watching, or you always watch every Sunday but you're like, oh my god, I can't subscribe, don't worry, I'll see the link somewhere. Please, my darling, subscribe to our channel. Let's know that you are here. Join the family for real. Register in this family so that we will know that this is a family member. Do you get? Like this video if you like it, share and tell your friends and family about it. Like I said, try out this recipe. you see the way this bread looks? It looks great. It tastes even better. God, now you need to legitly try out this recipe. Tell me how it went when you tried it out. And then I paired it with the homemade apple jam that we made. I'll be linking that video to this video, so you might want to go and watch that and make that, because this combo is fire, you guys. Stay safe, stay woke. I love you. Mwah.